ਹੈਲੋ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ, ਮੈਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ 2-3 ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਕਰਨਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੁੱਕ ਹੈ ਪੈਗ ਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਇਹ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਰਿਓਸਿਟੀ ਹੋਈ ਕਿ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਨਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੋਲ ਪਰਸਨਲੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਔਰ ਪੁੱਛਾਂ ਕਿ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਪੈਗ ਥੈਰੇਪੀ। ਸਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰੋ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਪਰਮਜੀਤ ਜੀ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਆ ਦਿਸ ਹੈਪੀਨੈਸ ਥਰੂ ਪੈਗ ਥੈਰੇਪੀ, this I written in 2005 and it has become a bestseller. So basically PEG therapy is a new concept of stress management, and it is based on ancient Vedic philosophy and modern theories of the cosmic energy. In fact, PEG is a acronym. P stand for personality analysis. See, when someone comes to us, the first step is to carry out the personality analysis of a person to find out the cause of stress. E stand for emotional counseling and G stand for gemology. So this is a part of the cosmic meditation wherein we have the technique of de-stressing the system of the body.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਰਨਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ कि what is cosmic meditation?
Yeah, cosmic meditation is the operating part of the PEG therapy. Cosmic meditation is a specialized technique which integrates body, mind and soul so that you can achieve health, happiness and success in life by using the power of the subconscious mind. All you have to do is spare about 10 minutes a day to follow 5 steps of cosmic meditation.
So, what are the steps?
Yeah, steps. Now there are 5 steps which you have to follow in a sequence. The step number 1 is correct posture. It simply means you sit in a correct posture. You can sit on a stool, you on a chair. The idea is that your spinal cord should be erect.
Okay, that it should be still.
Yeah,
when you are
and
sitting.
your hand position should be in Gyan Mudra. Press the index finger against the thumb. Keep it in your lap. Close your eyes and focus between the eyebrows.
Okay.
So, and sit for 1 minute.
Only 1 minute.
But then the second step is linked to breathing pattern of your system. It's called conscious breathing.
Yeah, these
Now-
days lot of stress is coming from different people or the breathing system.
Breathing.
Yeah.
Conscious breathing. See, breathing is a function of a subconscious mind.
Okay.
But here you have to breathe consciously for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Because you know our human mind and breath has a link. Now, for example, if your mind is angry, your mind is disturbed, you will find your breathing become very fast and erratic. Conversely, if you can regulate your mind, your breathing is regulated, your mind become calm. So this principle is used. So what you have to do is you have to sit erect and start breathing slowly. Inhale and exhale while focusing between the eyebrow. But at the same time, what is important is combine body with mind. That means when you are breathing, your mind should follow your breath.
Then-
Your mind should follow your breath when you are inhaling and when you are exhaling.
So we have to take inhale in through nose and
Oh, that is okay. It's a normal inhaling.
normal. It can be from
Through
mouth
nose.
or it can be from the nose.
Through nose.
Through nose only.
Yeah.
The next.
Third step is the most operating step is balancing the chakras. Now here, before we go further, you have to understand, you have to know more about this human body. This human body actually composed of 2 parts. The one which is visible to us, which is called a physical body. The other part which is not visible to us is called cosmic body.
Cosmic body.
Physical
Okay.
body and
Cosmic.
the point to remember is that whatever parts are there in your physical body, each part, each organ, each cell has a counterpart in the cosmic body. And therefore, in the physical body there are glands of endocrine system. Glands are, 7 glands. There is a pineal hair, pituitary, thyroid, thymus, adrenal, gonad, suprarenal. The function of glands is that it secretes hormones in your system to keep the thing balanced.
Oh.
Now, the chakras, I said balance the chakras. So what is chakras? Chakras are counterpart of these glands in the cosmic body.
Okay.
And the function of chakra is to draw in sun energy, the cosmic energy from the environment, which help us to keep us,
Basically, what is cosmic energy? Like it is from the nature or
cosmic
sun?
energy from the nature you draw in through the chakras. Okay. So this is chakra. Another thing we have to know is that we are alive. Human beings are alive because there is a Jaan in us. There is a life force, what we call Jaan, Pran, soul. Now, where is the soul? It's a moving force. It moves from the base chakra to the top chakra through a channel called Sushumna in Vedic science.
Okay.
Now, Sushumna channel is a counterpart of your spinal cord. Now, these chakras, they are a spinning energy
Okay.
of a diameter of 1 inch, and they spin in a horizontal plane, and while the energy, your Jaan, is passing through it. Now the point to understand is, so long as the chakras are balanced and they are spinning properly, this energy is smooth, it gets distributed to all your organ and tissues through the network of nadis. You feel very comfortable and there is no problem. The problem occurs when the chakras become unbalanced. Now the question is, why the chakra become unbalanced? The chakras become unbalanced due to the stress and tension. When they become unbalanced, then they block the part of energy which is flowing. If it is blocked, the smooth flow is disrupted, and all your organs and tissue in the body don't get the energy they need, and they don't perform at the optimum level. And that is the genesis of dis-ease, that is disease. So and how to balance the chakra, that is the
that is the.
Yeah. Now, balancing the chakras respond to the sound vibration. So there is a one universal sound in the cosmos, which is AUM. I will pronounce it. Aum.
Vibration is coming.
Aum. When you do this, closing the eyes, the chakra go into the high spin and they get balanced.
Okay.
And this Aum sound, all other religions have derived their own, like Om, Ekonkar, Hum, Amin. It is part of that.
These cosmic things doesn't have anything with religion or anything. This is
exactly.
only
So
Vedic.
that the original sound is AUM. So that is balancing of the chakra. Now the next step is stimulating a Kundalini energy. Now this step is actually advanced step. So today we'll skip this.
Okay.
The last thing is what we want. Last step is achieving what you want: health, happiness, and your wishes. How to do it? This is the main crux of the whole cosmic meditation. So it is based on the fact that if you have done these steps correctly, without any interruption or disruption, you would have reached the subconscious mind.
So we will have to do Ganasap every day or
that I'll tell you.
Okay.
Idea is that you do it when we are doing it, then you have reached the subconscious mind. Now, how to feed your subconscious mind with what you want. For example, you want happiness. Let's say you want happiness. You affirm happiness. Affirm means you auto-suggest. I am happy, I am happy, I am happy. You auto-suggest.
Okay.
This is bodily action. Now, you have to combine this action with the power of the subconscious mind. You visualize that. Not only you say I am happy, you also visualize you are happy. You closing your eyes, you visualize you are on a picnic, you are enjoying. Similarly, you say I am healthy, I am healthy, I am healthy. This is the affirmation. visualize from top to bottom, you are healthy, you are each part of your body. Your brain is active, face is bright, your circulation is good, your digestive system is good, everything is good. So, and then you say, I am wealthy. The name of my book is
Healthy.
Happiness Through PEG Therapy for your health, wealth, and peace of mind. So, wealthy. When you say I am wealthy, you say that, oh God, you have given me this body, and how many other people have got this type of body?
Yes.
People are suffering from diseases.
Diseases.
Then also you visualize that there are people who do not have 3-time meal. I am living in the comfort of the house. So that means you made me wealthy. I am
Yeah.
so grateful to you. That means you count your blessings.
Yes.
That gives you contentment. With that you will feel happy.
Yes. Feel what you have.
So with this last sentence, what you have achieved is health, happiness, and wealth and success. Though the whole thing is based on how to reach the subconscious mind and using it to achieve this health, happiness, and so that is PEG therapy.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much. The book I was reading, now I understand the complete concept of this book, and from your explanation, it makes me very, very comfortable
Thank you.
in understanding.
Thank you, Paramjit. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best.